Dive into a breathtaking Arizona sunset with this stunning drone flight over Sunset Point. These mountains don't have one singular peak, but rather a range with various heights. The tallest peak in the Bradshaw Mountains is Mount Union, reaching around 8,000 feet. Witness panoramic vistas bathed in golden light as the camera soars above the majestic mountains. Did you know around 5,400 travelers could potentially pass through Sunset Point daily? Veteran truck drivers navigate the winding roads over Sunset Peak, ensuring critical delivery are always on time and arrive safely. Temperatures could easily reach 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius or even surpass 105 degrees Fahrenheit 40 degrees Celsius on particularly hot days. As of April 2024, the I-17 undergoes a major improvement project between Prescott and Sunset Peak. Arizona Department of Transportation is undertaking a major improvement project on the I-17 throughout the entire stretch between Anthem Way and Sunset Point. Drivers can expect several improvements and changes resulting from the I-17 project between Anthem Way and Sunset Point. Increased capacity, shorter travel times, improved safety, flex lanes, a pilot program for dynamic traffic management. Be prepared for potential delays throughout the project, which is expected to be completed in 2025. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep a safe distance when following truck drivers. Subscribe and like for more travel content. If you're a truck driver watching this, please stop going in the left lane up hills.